Today I'm going to show you how to create and save your document on Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to your desktop and find the program Adobe Photoshop Elements. It looks like a camera. So I'm circling it here. This is the program. And you'll double click to open it, which should take a second. If you've never used it before, you may have a license agreement pop up. And in that case, you just click I accept. Now, once you get to this screen, it's very important that you click the orange circle titled Edit. There is a bug in our program that if you click Create, it will shut down. So you want to double click Edit to get started. And it will take just a moment to open up the program. Once you're there, you're going to see the tools along the side, and then along the top are the file actions. Along the side, you may see two columns of tools, and definitely your words and icons will be bigger than mine. They're a little smaller on the teacher computer. Along the top, you want to locate the word File, and then you want to go to New and over to Blank File because you want a new blank file. For the size, you're going to go to the preset sizes, and you want to just go to US paper. So you're going to click US paper. The size is letter. The width is 3.5 inches. The height is 11 inches. The resolution, which is the pixels per inch, is 300 pixels per inch. The mode, right now it's on grayscale, but I'm going to change it to color. So you want to double check that it's RGB color. The background contents can be white or transparent, either one, and then you're going to click OK. If you have that, you'll see down here that you have a document that's 8.5 inches by 11 inches. If it doesn't say that size, if it says something else, you probably did it incorrectly. If you've got a small little square, instead of this size square, you're going to have to do it again. Now, you're going to, you can zoom in or out because it might be bigger or smaller. Okay, it might look like that, but those are just the different views. Once you have that, you're good with the first part of this step, and for the second part of this step, you need to save it. So you're going to go up to File and down to Save As, and because we don't have access to our shared drives at school, you're going to save it to the desktop. So where it says Save In, you're going to make sure it says Desktop. Okay, I'm just going to save it right to the desktop. I'm going to call it Amy Kukuzi Photoshop, and the format is Photoshop. If it's JPEG or something else, you want to make sure you change it to Photoshop using this drop-down menu, and then you say Save. Okay, you don't need to close this up because now you're ready to move on to step 2. But before you do that, you may want to minimize this and just check that you have your document saved on your desktop, and I can see mine right there. So I know that I'm ready to move on to the next step. So now you can go ahead and watch the second video.